There is something about Yam Pottage. It just feels like home. It feels very comforting and brings back lots of childhood memories. So, let's make it together. Yam Pottage is one of those meals you make when you want something easy, satisfying, and comforting. And as usual, we're not doing anything complicated, just tasty and pocket-friendly cooking that always delivers. For this, we're going to be using our crayfish, our habanero pepper, onions. You can use more than one bulb if you want to. We'll also be using fermented locust beans for that traditional flavor. And of course, our yam cubes are ready in the pot, and then I added some water. I went in with the chopped onions and then the blend of crayfish, pepper, and fermented locust bean. Of course, salt to taste and seasoning powder. Finally, I went in with my palm oil. This is basically everything, and all you need to do is just cover the pot, light up your stove, and let it cook until the yam softens. This is what you are going to have. This is where you need to give the pot a very good mix till you have the consistency you want. I like it when it is thickened, so you get the consistency you want, and voila! Our yam pottage is ready. But feel free to go in with any vegetable of your choice, like pumpkin leaves, spinach, or scent leaves. And yeah, we're done. You can also add your protein like dry fish, dry beef, goat meat, or any other protein of your choice. But since we're keeping it simple, this is what we have. And I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe or if you have been trying this recipe. Do well to give this video a thumbs up and drop a nice comment. And until the next video, be good, be well, namaste, bye.